Hello dear friends, and welcome to this video today on our YouTube channel. In this video friends, we shall be looking at how we can answer the question we have here on screen, which says that you're provided with the following: a funnel shaped object and a metal roll to determine the volume of the object. So friends, make sure you watch the video from start to finish, because after watching this video friends, you shall be able to enter into that physics laboratory and answer this question with your left hand without even thinking. So friends, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because we are going to be uploading so many interesting contents here for you that are going to help you so well in your own exam. Okay, and please invite your friends so that they can join us as well. Thank you very much. And please friends, it took me a lot of time to actually compile all these videos for you, so please don't forget to give this video a like by simply pressing the like button beneath the video. That is your own gift to me. That is how you can appreciate what I do. Okay, that's the only way I want you to appreciate if you subscribe already. And please share that with your friends. Okay, thank you very much. Now friends, the question wants is saying that we are provided with the following: a funnel shaped object and a metal roll. They want us to get the volume of that object. So friends, the volume, the object in question, right, the object I have here with me is actually a cone. Okay, it's actually a cone, but the question might not tell you that it's a cone. You would want to look at the shape and predict that it's a cone. So we are going to have our diagram of this form. We need a diameter of this as circle, because a cone must have a circular path, right? They must have the base of the cone has to be circular. Then friends, we are going to have it as D, because we need a diameter of the circular path, which is D. Then now this is how the cone looks like. This is the shape of the cone, guys. This is how it is, right? This is it. So it looks like a funnel, right? It's funnel shaped, but not actually a funnel. Then friends, the height from the tip of this our cone to where it hits the circle at the center, we need that height. So we are going to have that height of this form, and we can call it small h. Good. So friends, this is all about the diagram. This is just all we need to solve this problem, to answer this problem so well. So let's go now to our procedure friends. We'll tell them that the setup is as shown above. The diameter D and the height h are measured using the metal rule. Good. So here was supposed to be our friends, not is. Are measured using the metal rule. Great. So friends, that's all about the procedure. That is virtually all about the procedure. Very short, brief, and easy to understand. Then friends, let's move on now to our observations. Under the observations friends, we'll simply tell them the values of our D and H we just calculated. Okay, we'll tell them the values of D and H. So we'll simply tell them that our D was 24.0 centimeters. Our H, what a coincidence, also 24.0 centimeters. Okay, that is these are the values of the cone I have here with me, the cone in which I actually measured. Okay, the values are like that, but don't expect to go to the exam hall and see them to be the same. Okay, don't expect that. If it comes in the exam, they might not be the same. They might not. So take your time and measure. Alright, so now let's move on to the calculations, which is very important. We'll simply tell them that from V equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. Friends, this is the formula for the volume of a cone. Okay, I have a video where I actually prove this formula using calculus. Okay, but I'll leave a link to that video in the description for your convenience, so you can check out that video. It's super important. Those of you who are doing mathematics and further mathematics, those who are doing mathematics specifically, okay, those who are doing mathematics, you're going to need it. You can be asked to prove it in an exam under the applications of integrations. Okay, you can be asked to prove this formula in the exam, so take note. Alright, we are from V equal to that now, but guys, we don't know what's R. Why? Because our diagram does not contain R. It contains only D and H, so we must tell them that R is the same like what the diameter over 2. Good. So that's what we're talking about. Then now guys, the diameter in this case is what? 24.0, right? If we divide by 2, we're going to have 12.0 centimeters. We put that to meters, we're going to have 0.12. So we simply plug in everything into our equation. We're going to have 1/3 pi r is what? Diameter over 2, which is 12 divided by 100 to put it from centimeters to meters. We're going to have 0.12 all that squared. Then the height is 24. Put that to meters, divided by 100, we're going to have 0.24. So if we punch that, guys, we expect to see a value of v equal to 3.62 times 10 raised to the power negative 3 meters cubed. Good. That is if I punch well. So guys, verify the answer to make sure I didn't make an error. So this is the value we should have. Then friends, let's move on now to the precaution. So we are going to tell them that that when measuring the diameter, the metal rule is placed such that it bisects the circle at the base into two equal halves. Remember that we need to get the diameter of this our circle, right? The circle formed at the base, and the diameter, as you all know, bisects this circle into two. But there's a certain situation in which you would put there's a situation in which you're going to put your ruler, right, but it will not bisect exactly. It will not bisect this circle into two equal halves. Okay, so we are trying to take care of that condition to make sure that when putting the ruler here, it should bisect the circle into two equal halves, so that we are sure that the value we get is the diameter of the circle. Good. Then now our conclusion is simply going to be the value of the volume that we have, that v is that. Good. So friends, thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope you found it so useful. If you found it so useful, guys, like I said, the only way you can appreciate me is just to hit the like button beneath the video and to share the video out with your friends so that we might have so many people to join us. And guys, don't panic when you enter the exam hall. Okay, don't panic. Nothing is difficult. Just have in mind that anything said is below standards. So thank you guys, and see you in the next video. Stay safe and good luck.